Stop paying $99 a month for Higgsfield AI because I turned this ordinary product photo into this amazing studio image and then into this UGC advert.
Okay, this tastes like summer turned all the way up.
Without another Higgsfield subscription, both were created directly inside of Claude, the connector is free, and the generations are pay-as-you-go. So instead of handing Higgsfield another monthly payment, I only paid for the assets that I created. And here's what I hate about subscriptions like Higgsfield. They charge you for access and not the results. If you create 50 videos, you pay. You create one video, you still pay. And if you create absolutely nothing for the entire month, Higgsfield still gets paid. You're renting access to an AI model, whether you use it or not. And that's a terrible deal for occasional creators. So I wanted to cut out the monthly subscription tax. And my alternative is KIE. It gives me pay-as-you-go access to creative AI models. And its free MCP connects them all to Claude. Think of the MCP as the bridge. Claude will always handle my instructions, but Kie runs the creative model. And unlike a Higgsfield subscription, if I create nothing next month, I pay nothing next month. And that is the entire point. And this is the MCP. It's by a guy called Kelvin, so shout out to Kelvin for creating this, and it's absolutely free. I'll include the link to GitHub in the video description. And there's only one file that you need, which is this MCPB file. Download it, put it on your desktop, and I'll show you what you do next. Open up Claude Code, and then drop in that MCPB file. And just tell Claude to install it for me. Now I've already done it, so I'm not gonna do it again, but it's really that easy. There is one more step. You're gonna need the Kie API, and I'll show you exactly how you find that. Log into your Kie.ae account. You can use a Gmail for this, and go to where it says API keys. Create one if you don't have one, give it a name, so I gave mine Claude Code, and then paste that into the same Claude Code window, where you install the MCP. Once it's done, Claude will tell you this, and then we can start doing the exciting stuff like creating our assets. So let's see if the results hold up. Start a new Claude Code session, point it to a folder. I've called mine Kie.ai. It's on the desktop, and then you can put your assets inside this folder. So I took a screenshot of the LaCroix water. It's a very basic image of a shopping site. And then I gave Claude this extensive prompt. Now I'm not gonna read it out to you. I don't wanna bore you, but the main point of this is I want a very glossy, product focused, something that I can use on a branded, like a world-class e-commerce site. But more importantly than that, I want Claude to check what's available on Kie and to basically let me know first how much the entire build is going to cost before it goes ahead with it. And that is the most important part of this prompt, because this will help you keep all your costs under control. And through the MCP, Claude knows what each of the models can do, the latest models, how they operate, and it will tell you a rough estimate of how many credits you will need to achieve whatever your output is. For this example, I wanted something for a branded e-commerce page. Now, obviously, you can do whatever you want. And this is the original product photo. I mean, technically it does a job, but it's very flat. It's forgettable. And it doesn't even look like a world-class beverage campaign. So here's the channel. Make this product impossible to ignore without changing the actual can, the logo, the colors, the packaging, and the product shape. All need to remain accurate, but everything around it needs more energy, more movement, and much more impact. So I'm asking Claude to create a frozen explosion of sparkling passion fruit water with dramatic lighting, cold condensation, and a premium campaign composition. And before generating everything, Claude shows me the model and the cost. So I don't see any surprise charges. And no, there's no accidental premium generation. So for this particular example, Claude is estimating that Kie will cost 4 credits, which is roughly 2 cents for a 4x5 PNG image. And it'll tell me how many credits I'll have once this is done. And if I'm happy with this, I can approve it. And here's a campaign image. This is the difference that I wanted. The product now has movement, it's got energy, it's got color, and there's a reason to stop scrolling now. And that's one asset I've created without using Higgsfield. But an image is an easy test. Now we go after the most expensive part, AI video. And this is where Higgsfield is supposed to win, because AI video is its home turf. So I'm gonna give Kie an even harder challenge. I wanted to turn the same product into a 5-second UGC ad. I want to see the influencer holding the product, smiling, calling it amazing, and let's see if it can start off inside of a kitchen environment. And the video is locked in for 5 seconds using 480p resolution, purely because I want to save my credits since I'm recording this video. But you can also use 720, and I believe there's also 1080p as well, so you've got high definition. But before Claude can spend anything, it must show me the exact price. And you can see that here in steps 4 and 5, it's given me an estimate of about 11 cents rounded up for a 5-second video. So the combined total still fits my budget. And I'm only going to give it one attempt. And let's see if Higgsfield is still necessary.
Okay, This tastes like summer turned all the way up.
So we've got one basic photograph, one studio campaign image, and one UGC advert, built from the same product. And there's no monthly Higgsfield subscription. Now let's do something AI videos rarely do. Let me show you the receipt. You can see the product images used 4 credits. So this was the first one that I tested and wasn't really that great. It's just a very basic studio lit product. So I'll run again for another 4 credits, and this is what it came up with. Looks 100 times better. And for the video, you've got Dance 1.5 Pro, which by the way is not even the latest version of Dance. And it's only consumed 17.5 credits for a 5-second video. And here's the video. So the complete workflow used less than 30 credits. So that's not free. The generations did cost money, but I only paid for the work, not for another month on a subscription calendar. And Higgsfield charges repeatedly for continued access. And Kie only charges me when I actually use it to create. And that is a much cleaner deal. So does that mean that Higgsfield is suddenly useless? The answer is no. Like if you generate constantly, its subscription could make financial sense. And it also gives you a polished, dedicated interface. But if you create a few assets each month, stop pretending that you need another subscription. You do not need to rent the entire platform just to generate one short advert. Use the model and pay for the output. Then stop paying until you need it again. And Higgsfield wants another monthly payment. But this workflow gives me a choice. There's one product photo, 2 finished assets, and no recurring generation subscription. The free MCP and the setup guide are linked in the video description. So stop paying for empty calendar months. Pay when you create. Thank you so much if you made it this far. Press the like button if you want to see more wholesome AI content like this, because I'm somebody that drops AI bombs. I show you how I use AI for my own agency, the types of workflows that I'm building for clients, and also what I show my students inside of my private community. The links for all of this are in the video description below. Watch the next one on screen if you want to learn more, and I'll see you next time.